Hey everybody, how are you? We are on to our second Christmas in July DIY. And what I've done so far is I cut out 2 squares out of the black and white material because I'm going to make a couple ornaments to go with my snowman theme. Now last year I made some snowmen, if you remember right, but I have to get more of the cording from the Dollar Tree before I can make more. And I want larger styrofoam for the styrofoam snowmen that I'm going to do for the tree. Now these are just small. I think these are 2.5. It's what I had on hand. All you're going to do is you're going to put these inside the square, bring all the corners up, very easy, together. But I think before I do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and make my hanger. Since these are going to be like farmhouse, I have twine. I'm going to glue it together so the ends are together. Okay. And I'm going to make a tiny, tiny little hole so I can put this in there. And I'm going to secure it with a straight pin, okay? Alright, so when that sets up, that'll stay in there. Alright, now we can go ahead and fold this up. I'm going to take one of these little, you know those little rubber bands that the little girls used to use to make things with? They almost remind me of rubber bands when the kids had their braces. That's what they remind me of. So if you have any of those on hand, use those. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to wrap that twice. Okay? Then I'll fan this out, and when I fan it out, it will show the hanger a little bit. Okay? And now all you do is you embellish it the way you want. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to, I don't know if I'm going to put this or not. I was thinking about putting the Merry Christmas. I don't know if I want that or not. I might not put that. I think I might just put, and find the side that you like the best. There's always a better side, I think, than, there's always a good side. Even when you take pictures, don't you have a better side? I don't think I am. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap a little bit more of this around. And this is just twine that I got from the Dollar Tree. These are going to look cute on the tree with the snowmen. Because I think the majority in my family room will be snowmen. Okay, and then this also acts as an anchor to put your embellishments. Okay, now if you don't want to add anything else, you don't have to. You can just leave it like this. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a little bit of Christmas trim onto this. And I believe they were selling these at Hobby Lobby that looked something like this. They were bigger, you know, bigger styrofoam. But I think there were 4 of them, and I think they were in the black and white. I'll have to look, but I'm pretty sure they were. Now you could stop there if you wanted. I think I'm going to add a couple jingle bells. And remember I made the Christmas hats for the snowmen out of this? I think it was out of this. Those are going to look cute because I'll do that again with the bigger ones that I make, so they kind of go with this. Actually, these would be cute if you did them in different sizes of styrofoam balls. I think I'll leave this one just like it is, and then the next one I might add a little bit of red. So let's get our string ready. For the hanger and to tie a bow. Okay. So it's 90-something degrees. That's why I have my fan on. If you hear it, that's what it is. 'Tis the season. No, I'm teasing. You could make a bunch of these in no time at all. Take your square, bring it up, get your rubber band. I might make some red checked ones for my tree in my kitchen because I'm going to be doing snowmen and gingerbread in there. And some black and white too, why not, right? This will be my front. My bow real quick. Okay, now get my, this was from a garland, and I used that garland in so many things last year, and this is what's left of it. Okay. And I'm going to add one of these little snowflakes, I think. Glue it in the middle here where the hanger is. Just stick that in the styrofoam as well. You'll never know the difference. And then I'll put another. I'm going to put a couple of these white ones on here. Like I said, you could make as many as you want, and you could make them different sizes. It would be cute. It's always fun to layer. Okay, I think I'll add a jingle bell to that as well. When you get glue on your fingers, then your fingers want to stick to everything. I'm going to call that one done. So, get out your Christmas trim, your remnants of your fabric, and just start going to town on making some of your Christmas ornaments. Okay, so here they are up close, and like I said, these are so quick, and these are definitely farmhouse. And with that black and white, again, it's very popular this year, just like it was last year. And if you made any of those snowmen, or you haven't made any, now you can make the snowmen to go with. I don't know if they'll be Christmas in July or just in the later part of fall when I do my other Christmas DIYs. But whatever the case, these will go adorable with your black and white buffalo check Christmas. Until next time, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon.